The exec function in Python allows you to run Python statements. With exec, you can run code to create variables. For example, exec the statement x equals 1. Surprisingly, x still exists after exec runs. You can print out x, and print will gladly print out 1. You can also modify existing variables. You can have your money start out at 0, and then give yourself a small loan of $1 million with exec. You can also delete existing variables. Let's say you had some important info stored in the program. You could simply delete that info with exec. You're probably starting to see how powerful exec is. Literally anything that you can do in Python can be done with exec. You can write code to delete your entire operating system and then run it with exec. I'm blurring that specific code out because I don't want anyone to get what it does out of context and then mess up their computer. So the final note on exec is basically, you can use it, but only trust strings that you, the developer, put into exec. You shouldn't allow people that will eventually use this code to be able to put strings into exec.